trial at intuit.com.
All right. When you look at the future of your business, what do you see? Is the glass half empty or half full? Well, with UPS, you can eliminate warehouses, streamline your supply chain, and even reach new global markets. So your business is more adaptable, more efficient, and more profitable. Hey, the opportunities are out there. Seize them with UPS. Is anybody else thirsty?
Saturday, more money, less coverage, and the hidden items in the latest healthcare plan. Then, will the homeowner tax credit leave you in the poorhouse? Plus, how the Dow hitting 10,000 really impacts Wall Street. It's a powerful biz block Saturday.
Shut them up and pay them all. President Obama announcing a $13 billion handout for seniors as Social Security payments will not see a cost of living increase. My next guest is